back to my channel, and hope you guys are safe and stay home. So in this video I'm going to show you guys my productive study routine and how can you create your productive study routine too during this quarantine, because I know every one of our sleep schedule is messed up. Like mine is really messed up, and I want my life together. So actually I woke up early today. I don't know, I just felt super productive today, and I hope you guys like this animoji intro, because you don't have to just see my hands. If you haven't joined our MW fam yet, then hit that subscribe button below, and don't forget to click the bell icon next to it and change it to all. That's all you have to do. Okay, so let's move on to the video. So the first important tip to create your own study routine is to plan out before you study. So what you're going to plan about is how long you're going to study and what topics are you going to complete. You just gotta choose an approximate time limit that you think would be enough to cover a particular topic. So tip number 2 is to separate the topics into sessions. A session can last from 25 to 60 minutes, just according to your focus time and the approximate time limit that you have given for each topic. You have to modify your session timings according to your convenience. So as you see in my to-do list, I've separated the topics that I want to cover today into 2 sessions, and each session lasts for an hour. And in between the sessions, I've kept a time for revision, so that would help me to recall the stuff that I've studied before. So the tip number 3 is do not burn out yourself. Sometimes you won't be able to complete the topics within the approximated time, and it's completely fine. All you gotta do is complete the topic and then take a break, or just take a break and then complete the topic. But do not try to sit for long sessions without a break, because that won't be efficient at all. That won't be productive, and you would lose interest, so you won't like to sit for long hours. So remember, how long you study is not at all important, but how productive while you study is the important thing. So remember to take regular breaks throughout the sessions. So the tip number 4 is to have time for fun too. After each session, you can take a break, which should last from 5 to 15 minutes. And during that time, you can do something you like, so that it would brighten your mood. And the next session, you can be really concentrated because you're in a happy mood. Good mood leads to nice concentration. But don't forget to get back to work after your study break is done. The tip number 5 is to avoid any sort of distractions. It might be your phone or whatever it is, but you have to avoid it, because you want to be productive during the study session and don't want to waste your time. And you have to try to be as concentrated as possible. So to do that, you can listen to music or anything that would bring you to the state of concentration. You can even meditate before studying, or even do focus exercises, which are available on YouTube. You can check it out, because when I'm not able to concentrate, I would use those focus exercises to bring me back into the state of concentration. The last and the final tip is do not forget to revise. This is kind of an important tip, because you might forget what you have learned in the morning by night. So it's so important to have a revision session in between the sessions or before you hit the bed. Revising is so important because the more and more you revise, the more and more the concept gets stuck to your head. So we are at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do tell me in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Bye.